Welcome to Archiesense. Ljunghusen is located between the Öresund and the Baltic Sea, surrounded by forests and the Skanörs Ljung Nature Reserve with its open field landscape. The zoning regulations require open land to be used only for residential purposes, while the forest remains the dominant element of the environment. The plot near the open field determines the orientation and shape of the house, which is long and narrow, and includes a carport, a barn, a workshop and a guest house. Rhododendron bushes and the L-shaped shape of the house create a sheltered and enclosed garden. The house stands partly on a plinth foundation to preserve the root system of the surrounding pine trees. The character of a simple summer house is maintained despite the transition to a year-round dwelling. The facade of the house is made of gray-brown spruce wood to resemble the trunk of a pine tree, with oak windows and doors, and sliding wooden screens for privacy and sun protection. The ground floor includes the main living areas such as the kitchen, living room, and dining room with a two-story ceiling. The upper floor contains the bedrooms, a terrace with an outdoor kitchen, dining room, and fireplace overlooking the garden.